And I'm Vice President of Buon Vino Manufacturing. And today I'm going to show you how to properly clean your Superjet wine filter. It is very important to keep your wine equipment clean because you don't want any bacteria or any growth of any kind growing on your machines or your equipment. So the first thing you want to do is loosen the front tightening screw. Take out your steel concave plate and remove all your filter pads that you filtered your wine with. Now the filter pads you cannot reuse, so you just throw them in the garbage. Now take your plastic plates out. Normally you would do this in a kitchen by the sink, that you could soak them in fresh water, clean them off with a nail brush, but we don't have access to that today, so we're just going to use this Tupperware. So lightly clean them with a nail brush. Get rid of all your wine stains or any particulate that was left behind from the filter pads and soak them out to dry. Now every once in a while you'll want to soak the plastic plates in a solution of potassium metabisulfite just to keep the plates sterile and clean. It's very important to flush the pump out. Any residual wine that's left in the pump, the acidity of the wine will eat away at the rubber components in the pump, and your check valve will lose its prime very quickly. So now, what we're going to do is disconnect the front outtake hose. So you just disconnect the plate, disconnect it like that. And I always like to hang the plastic plate back on the legs so you know where they are for the next use. We have a 5-gallon carboy of fresh water set up here. So we're going to turn on the machine to flush the pump out. And you can see the water forcing its way through and forcing out the excess wine that was left in your short piece of tubing in the Superjet. Now you'll want to run all 5 gallons of water through the pump, and we'll empty out the line. Again, you can use potassium metabisulfite to flush the pump out. Make sure it's a very light solution. You do not want any residual pot met left in the pump. Again, it will affect your pump. So now that we've flushed everything out, it's time to clean your plastic plate that's fixed on the machine. Again, with a little nail brush, scrub it down. Get some water in here. And then dry your fixed plate. Once everything is clean and dry, you can reassemble the machine and put it away for your next use. Very important, every once in a while, to lubricate the front screw. It's always important to keep this lubricated because metal on metal tends to grab and you're not able to tighten as much as you would with a little bit of lubrication there. We suggest that you use petroleum jelly to lubricate the screw. So basically just brush a little bit on the threading, screw it in and screw it out so it works its way in. And that's how you clean your Superjet wine filter. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for choosing Buon Vino products, and happy filtering. Salute!